Hi again, everybody. Tuesday morning, October 18th, 2022. Here's the 30-minute Astro Excel chart. We got the anticipated up move yesterday. You can see that played out well. We've got this peak this morning on the green line at about 8:45, and this down move, which is going to last till between 9:45 and 11. We're going to have that downside pressure. And then we get into a bullish move that's going to take us into the early morning tomorrow. And then when this green line goes flat here, and then it starts to turn down tomorrow after midnight of the 19th, and then that line is down for 24 hours into the early morning of the 20th, and then we start moving back up Thursday, and then we flatten out Friday above the 20 line. And we've got a lot of bullish pressure Friday as we get above the 20 line. So you can see we're moving out above the 10 line here Thursday, and then we get up above the 20 line and we bang off the 30 line Friday early in the AM around 3:22. So that's what the rest of the week is looking like on the Astro Excel. Here's the timing chart with price lines from yesterday. We went through the close level, we got up to the next level, we got to bounce off that line, then a midpoint, then it became support into our timing window. At the time we came to the high of the day, we retested and met the exact high of the day right here in that window. Then we got that move down into the price line. That was about a 18-20 point move there. We had a little ABC in the window, and then the rest of the run began. You can see we got 5 consecutive bounces off that price level, and then it finally moved off, came into the night session, went a little flat, went through the next line. And what happens when we go through one of these lines, it's going to be support when it's hit again. And that was hit earlier this morning over here, about between 5 and 6. Triggered off a nice long trade on that line. Those zones are still active. We've got an important window coming in later at 109 to 242, so you want to be looking at that. And that green block is at 1334, 134 this afternoon. Then we've got another window a little bit later, but that one's outside of preferred trading period, so I'm going to let that one go. Anyhow, your key timer for today is that white window right there. For other potential triggers, use the rainbow, the pH, and the Cosmodyne tool for other intraday potential pivots today, working reversals off of these price lines.